Today we will discuss in science and module we will discuss artificial intelligence. So Komal, what is artificial intelligence in your terms, in your words, in your views?
Sir, anything that is connected in a single system.
Okay, not bad.
Or at any time, any place.
That is the Internet of Things. That is the IoT. Any idea, Ramananji? Any idea about the artificial intelligence? No, you can't say.
Artificial intelligence it involves more than power. It performs work using technology.
Okay. Okay. In order to become an efficient artificial intelligent, you should have more number of data. Leave number in my editorial class also. Yes, it can be employed in your medical field also. If you have any problems, if you have any symptoms, on the basis of symptoms, artificial intelligence or artificial computer, a computer that has artificial intelligence give you the prescription. Go and do these things. Go and do this test. Because on the basis of data, that is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science which deals with the creating computers or machines which are intelligent. It is basically deals in order to create a computer, supercomputers that has power to process the data and work as a human being. Because the brain which we have is no match with anyone, not even a supercomputer. Because in this time also I can remember that my childhood. Yes, so is it not this thing is not possible with supercomputer also. How we can remember such data? So we are trying our best to make our computer more intelligent, so that it can take decision intelligently. First one. Artificial intelligence is a simulation or processing of human intelligence process such as learning, reasoning, self-computers by computer system. Usually in normal computer we give input, we get output with the interface, simple. But in artificial intelligence computer, whatever we are giving input, we will get output, but not only by processing, but they will work as human being, reasoning also, processing also, and as per our needs, they produce the result, and they do self-correction also. So computer is actually working as a human being. That computer is called artificial intelligent computer. Yes, we have mobile phone. It is also based on the artificial intelligence. If you place mobile phone here, smartphone, it automatically click your photo. How? Because of artificial intelligence, it gets data and it clicks your photo. If you visit the airport, there is an intelligence system, artificial intelligence system, it captures your data by clicking your photo, by clicking your image, and that's why this is a major concern for your privacy, issue of privacy, which has been we have been dealt in the editorials, this thing. So artificial intelligence is a simulation of human intelligence processes, means copy same thing what human perform. Artificial intelligence is also doing the same thing in the computer system. What same thing? Learning with the inputs. Like if I am here, that means I am in the class and I have to behave myself. I have to be very disciplined. That's the learning. Reasoning, yes, this time I have to teach, learning. And third one is correction. If I am doing mistake, I will correct myself. And no one provides me the data. It is a self-assessment of my brain. So computer is also doing the same thing. If computers perform such kind of function, that means computer is artificial intelligent. Yes. What is the learning? What is the reasoning? Now we'll deconstruct everything. acquisition of information, acquiring of information, and the rules for using the information. Yes, whatever information we have to implement on the ground level. You are learning actually. You are not reading. You are learning. Whatever knowledge I am giving you right now, you will try to apply on the ground level. That is actually learning. Computer will also do the same thing. Computer gets input from the outside, from the human being, from other sources also. And as per the inputs, they learn and perform the duty whenever required. That's a learning. Reasoning, using the rules to reach inference, Ramananje. Logical reasoning, logical conclusion. What may be the reason for these diseases? It gives you the prescription. That is the reason. So you have to take this action. So reasoning is here using rules, whatever rules you have, to reach a conclusion, to reach your logical conclusion. That is your inference. Comprehension. So artificial intelligence might just be the single largest technology revolution of our lifetimes. Yes, everywhere we can get the artificial intelligence with the potential to disrupt all aspects of human existence. Yes, it has potential to even disrupt, break human actions also. Whatever we are doing, if yes, we have a Shivaji movie, computer, robot, yes, robot 2, whatever movie we have, Rajnikant movie, yes, artificial intelligence, because yes, robot is able to reason, able to produce the result, and even fight with a human being who was actually creator of that robot. Artificial intelligence is of two types. First one is strong artificial intelligence, that is a full artificial intelligence, and second one is a weak artificial intelligence, that is a applied artificial intelligence. So what actually full artificial intelligence is also called as a general artificial intelligence. I'll tell you why it is called full artificial intelligence. Examples of artificial intelligence technology: automation. Yes, automation means instead of human being, computer will perform the work. Instead of spinning, instead of weaving, machine will perform the work and produce a lot of your cloth, lot of garments. That is automation. Human being replaced by your machines. That is automation. Automation is a process of making a system or process function automatically. Yes, Ramananji is also working in automation system. He only place yes, no from the control room. Machine will work. System will work. Automation. Machine can be programmed to perform. Yes, programmed to perform high volumes repetitive tasks. Yes, we are doing the same thing, no? Yesterday also you are part of this class. Today also same repetitive things. That because it becomes the habit of human being. Similarly, computer, this type of things becomes a habit for the computer also. Yes, to perform high volume repetitive tasks with a lot of accuracy, precision, and negligible errors. Yes, there may be negligible errors, but computer produce the 100%, or you can say 99% accuracy. That's why we heavily rely on the test of machines, blood test, sugar test, because we know machine can do our checkup better than doctor. That's why medical science has been evolved so much in this time, because of this artificial intelligence machine. Second one, natural language processing. It is the processing of natural human language, not computer language by a computer. You know, computer works on the 0 or 1. Yes? Yes, binary. Very good. Binary. 0 or 1. 0 means you're low and 1 means you're high in digital. And you see, put Google button how to reach Sanitra Asthan. Google will tell you. This path where you will get fluent English class. Inside the fluent English class, you will get the Kranti Civil Service also. Yes? If Google has such information. And in that class also you will get Rohit, Ankit. It's very sad today. Yes? It is the processing of natural human language. Naturally, yes, whatever we are saying, it actually intercept our language. and give the desired output, and not computer language by a computer. Normally humans communicate with computer through the machine language 0 or 1, but in natural language processing, computer are able to understand and communicate with humans in the natural language of human beings. Yes, we can speak in English also, Hindi also, whatever language we that are being integrated in the Google system. And the way Telugu, the way Malayalam, the way other languages of South India evolving, in time also, in future also, they will also become the integral part of Google. So they can also speak in Telugu. Even we have such system. In fact, in present day also we have such system. So this time, computer do not need their computer language. Even human language can also understand. It is because of the artificial intelligence. It is because of the artificial intelligence. Machine learning and pattern recognition. Yes. It is the field of artificial intelligence in which the computers have the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Yes. We do not need to give programming to the computer. Computer automatically understands whatever actually we want. Without being, you need not to be programmed to the computer system. Because every time the output of the computer try to rectify itself, and in a stage where it produces the highest or maximum accuracy result that are very close to your standard result. So that means every time machine learning means machine is also learning. Machine is also learning. Like human beings also learning day by day. If you are doing the same mistake, you are not human beings. Human beings will learn mistakes from the past. Machine is also doing the same work. If machine produces a 60% accuracy, in second day or in second turn, machine will produce 70% accuracy. In this way, machine will try to provide you the highest precision result, close to your standard result. That is a machine learning, and it is possible only through the artificial intelligence. Fourth one, pattern recognition. It is a branch of machine learning and that focuses on the identify patterns in data. Yes, we have certain kind of data. If our thumb, if let's say there is a thumb, upper part of thumb cannot be put at the down, cannot be placed at the down, because it will mismatch our fingerprint, no? So it actually makes sequence, the best suitable sequence. So that's why pattern recognition. It recognizes the pattern which needs to be followed. So it is a branch of machine learning that focuses on the identify pattern in data. Yeah, you can see the fingerprint. Machine vision and machine perception also. Yes, we have our eye. We can see many things, and our eye is so brilliant in many ways. Similarly, robot which have many eyes, which have many camera, they can also turn in 360 angles. Unlike human being have a 180 degree visions. Human being cannot have a 360 angles, correct? But robot with different camera setup, that can be your drone also. So this is because of your artificial intelligence. Machine vision and machine perception. What is the perception? Machine's views, and as per the machine's input, which he gathered from the environment, and accordingly it will produce the actions. Drones also doing the same work. It is science of making the computers capture and analyze the visual information using a camera. Yes, it is science of making computers capture the information and analyze the visual information, whatever it witness, capture. It is a compared with the human eyesight. Yes, you can compare, but is not bound by limitation. Yes, human being is bound by the limitation. Human being cannot go in 360 angles, but the robot can go into the 360 angles. For example, a computer can be programmed to capture and analyze the infrared radiation, UV light, X-rays, but we cannot detect the X-rays and UV rays because we are familiar with only your visible radiation of a spectrum, but we are unable to detect, or we are unable to see the radiation of X-ray or your UV ray. But yes, the drone or the camera or the machines with such kind of arrangements can detect this kind of rays also. That's why it is a machine vision. That's why it is a machine perception. And that is the actually application of your machine learning. Yes. Fuzzy logic. Fuzzy logic, yes, I know you have been familiar, especially BTech student. You are familiar. Boolean logic. Is it cold? Is it cold? The big question, if there is a conventional machine, there is no artificial intelligence. If you ask any machine, whether environment is cold or warm, if let's say is it cold, machine will tell you no, or machine will either tell you yes. Conventional machine, conventional computer. But if it is employed with a fuzzy logic, that means there can be many stages between 0 and 1, 0.9 and also 0.11 also, 0.33 also. That's why is it cold? Very much, 0.9, 0.8, 0.99, 0.997. And yes, is it cold? Very less, 0.1, 0.11, 0.1112, 0.2. It is because of the fuzzy logic. Because from between 0 to 1 there can be many stages, and it is only possible because of the artificial intelligence. Precision. That's it for today's class, Science and Tech.